Imagine you're sitting on the couch, scrolling through your streaming services. You come across Neon and think, hey, I haven't used this in a while. So, what do? Keep paying for it? Or cancel it? But wait, how do you even cancel a Neon account? Neon, for those who don't know, is a popular streaming service that offers a wide range of movies and TV shows. It's a great way to catch up on your favorite shows or discover new ones. But sometimes, things change, and you might find yourself wanting to cancel your account. Step-by-step guide. Okay, let's get down to business. Here's how to cancel your Neon account. Log into your account. Open your web browser and go to the Neon website. Log in using your username and password. Access your account settings. Once logged in, look for the Account or Settings section. It's usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to open your account settings. Find the cancellation option. Within your account settings, you should find a section labeled Membership or Subscription. Look for a button or link that says Cancel Membership or something similar. Confirm your cancellation. After clicking on the cancellation option, Neon might ask you to confirm your decision. They may also provide you with a reason for canceling and ask for feedback. Choose your reason and confirm your cancellation. Additional tips. Check for cancellation fees. Before canceling, make sure to check if there are any cancellation fees associated with your Neon account. Some services may charge a fee for early cancellation. Consider pausing your account. If you're not ready to cancel your account completely, Neon might offer a pause or hold feature. This allows you to temporarily suspend your subscription without canceling it. Contact customer support. If you're having trouble finding the cancellation option or have any questions, don't hesitate to contact Neon's customer support. And there you have it. That's how you cancel your Neon account. It's a simple process that can be completed in just a few minutes. Remember, if you change your mind or decide to come back to Neon in the future, you can always resubscribe. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.